Hello students. So we are discussing profit, loss and discount. So today I am going to discuss the topic discount. Discount means some time to clear the stock or to clear the damaged product. Shopkeeper offer a reduction on the mark price of their goods. This reduction of mark price is called as discount. Now, the first most important thing you need to remember that discount is always given on the mark price. Neither it is on the selling price or on the cost price. Discount is always given on the mark price. Now, selling price equals to mark price minus discount. That means if you need to calculate discount, then you need to calculate mark price minus selling price. Then we need to, if the mark price is given to you, discount is given to you, then the formula of SP equals to 100 minus D by 100 into MP, and the formula of MP equals to, that is mark price equals to 100 by 100 minus D into SP. Now this mark price is also be termed as the list price or the printed price, or in some book you can get it is a menu price. So using this formula we are going to solve some problem based on discount. So let us start the problem. An article is marked for rupees 1300 and is sold for rupees 1144. Find the discount price. Now if you read the sum carefully, information about the marked price is given, that is marked price equals to 1300. Information about the selling price is given, selling price is given as 1144. So discount equals to mark price minus selling price equals to 1300 minus 1144, that is equals to 156 rupees. So discount percentage, as we calculate the profit percent or loss percent, if you recall the formula is profit by CP into 100 or loss by CP into 100. Same way discount is offer on the mark price, so discount percentage will be discount by MP into 100. So if you simplify this, so these 20 cancel with these 20, 13 and cancel with 156, you will get 12%. Moving into the next question, a wristwatch is available at a discount of 9%. That means discount percentage is given as the 9%. If the list price of the watch is rupees 1400, find the discount given and the selling price of the watch. So mark price is given as 1400 and discount is given as 9%. So discount offer is 9% of 1400, that means 1400 into 9 by 100. So these 20 cancel with these 20, so you'll get 14 into 9, that is 126 rupees. Therefore selling price equals to mark price minus discount. 1400 is the mark price, 126 is the discount offer, so the selling price is rupees 1274. Let us discuss the next problem. A shopkeeper sells an article for rupees 248.50 after allowing a discount of 10%. That means whatever be the marked price, on that marked price the shopkeeper allows a discount of 10%. After deduction of 10%, the selling price stands at rupees 248.50. Sometimes this is a common mistake, you calculate 10% of this. No, if you see the question, after allowing a discount of 10%, find the list price of the article. Selling price is given here and the discount percentage is given here. So I am going to use the formula. Formula is 100 by 100 minus D that is 100 minus 10, because here D is percentage is given as 10, into SP, that is 248.50. Now if you calculate, you will get 100 by 90 into this 248.50 can be written as 24850 by 100 to remove the decimal. 10 cancel with this 10, this 100 cancel with this 100, so we'll get 2485 by 9, which is equal to 276.11. That means the marked price of the article is 276.11. Thank you student for watching this.